Okay. I'm videotaping right now.
Hey, Mom.
Tom. You guys, just to let you know, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Okay, you gotta say something nice.
Oh, okay. Hey, Fool, what's up, man? Where the hell are you?
Who the hell is Fool? This is Chris's birthday, so.
Birthday. Say happy birthday.
Say happy birthday to Chris.
Happy birthday, Chris.
No more. It's 40th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Chris. Many more grace to come. I'm so evil, but
Oh yeah, like you're so innocent. Yeah, we know that.
yeah, enjoy, Chris. Have fun your birthday, okay? It only comes once in a lifetime. Okay, cut.
I'm gonna go over here. I'm taping.
Oh, you're taping. He left early last time I saw him, so I'm. Hey, give my good side. Give my good side.
This is a birthday boy right here.
Yeah, no, give my good side. Give my good side.
He's turning 40. Oh, that's good.
No, he's 24, I'm 28.
28. Yeah.
Still on the gear.
I'm 21. I just got my birthday, got my liquor on 21 birthday. It's awesome.
You forgot to go up, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
20 years. We stopped counting after 40, right?
Yeah.
Stop counting.
I think I stopped counting after 25, man. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Anyway, this is Chris's birthday.
How about 50 years old? Rock and roll! Yeah!
See? Just to prove to you, he's 40 years old. It says right here. He's not 28 anymore.